systems I will teach you in this song. I hope you learn and listen. Geosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere are four major systems on Earth that balance why we survive here. These systems are all separate but interact with one another in so many different ways. In each system you will discover. Let's start with geosphere, all Earth's materials and mass. It's comprised of all these parts that you'll be learning in my class. The solid iron inner core is a bit smaller than the moon. The nickel iron alloy outer core is liquid, it is true. The mantle is a layer between the crust and outer core, mostly made of minerals and silicate rock. Let's learn some more. Which brings us to the crust in which we all play and live on, made up of rock and lots of elements that keep it real strong. Earth has four major geological subsystems I will teach you in this song. I hope you learn and listen. The atmosphere's the next sphere that we will look at. It contains Earth's air and protects all of us. Now how about that? The atmosphere's made up of 5 layers. Now you know one layer blocks radiation from the sun. It's called the ozone. Let's move on to the hydrosphere. It's a major one as well. It includes all forms of Earth's water. Now isn't that swell? Oceans, lakes, and rivers, and our water vapor too are what make up the hydrosphere. You learn something new. The biosphere's the final of the 4 major groups, including anything that's living. That also includes you. Microbes, animals, plants, birds, and insects alike are all part of the biosphere. That's true and it is alright. Earth has 4 major geological subsystems I will teach you in this song. I hope you learn and listen. Here's one of many examples of how these spheres interact. There are so many different ways they help us live, and that's a fact. When volcanoes erupt from the geosphere, it releases particles and ash into the atmosphere. These particles act as the nuclei to help form water drops. That's the hydrosphere at work, and it never stops. When the rain falls to the earth, this is the hydrosphere, which stimulates plants to grow, which is the biosphere. The plants create oxygen that's released to the atmosphere. Plants also feed animals and humans, and that's biosphere. There's so many more examples you can find on your own. You can research them on your computer while sitting at home. Earth has 4 major geological subsystems I will teach you in this song. I hope you learn and listen. Earth has 4 major geological subsystems I will teach you in this song. I hope you learn and listen.